A business associate agreement is the first thing to check before you trust a cloud system with patient ePHI. Without one, the HIPAA liability sits with you. If your vendor will not sign a business associate agreement, your organization carries the HIPAA exposure for ePHI stored and transmitted in their system. Business associate agreements for treatment centers, what a BAA is, why it shifts liability, and the safeguards you still owe on your side. We cover what a BAA does, why it holds your organization blameless, and the reasonable safeguards HIPAA still expects from your team. A business associate agreement is a contract you sign with a cloud system provider that stores or transmits ePHI on your organization's behalf. The cloud-based system is the business associate. The agreement binds it to handle your patient's ePHI under HIPAA's rules. A BAA contractually requires the system to follow all HIPAA requirements when storing and transmitting ePHI on your behalf. If something goes wrong and there is no business associate agreement in place, your organization, not the vendor, can be on the hook for HIPAA penalties. With a signed BAA, the agreement holds your organization blameless. Should something go wrong, the provider is liable for any HIPAA penalties. Any system that advertises itself as HIPAA compliant should have a BAA for you to sign. If it doesn't, treat that as a warning. Providers building cloud-based systems and signing BAAs have a lot of skin in the game. Behave Health is designed to support cloud storage of ePHI under a signed BAA. Behave Health is a cloud-based system that signs business associate agreements, taking on contractual responsibility for ePHI stored and transmitted on your behalf. A modern behavioral health EHR paired with strong security and compliance controls is designed to make cloud storage safer than most on-premise alternatives. A signed BAA shifts vendor liability, but HIPAA still expects reasonable and appropriate safeguards from your team. Whether you work from desktops, laptops, phones, or tablets, these reasonable and appropriate safeguards stay your responsibility. Let's walk through 3. Safeguard 1. Lock down every device, including phones, that accesses ePHI. Protect each device with a strong password or PIN, enable encryption, and activate remote wiping so a stolen phone can have its ePHI access disabled. Don't rely on factory settings to protect ePHI. Take a few minutes to set up your security settings on each device. Safeguard 2. Put a secure network and the right software around your access. Maintain a secure network environment with defenses and firewalls. Run security software, and remember to keep that software updated. Use private Wi-Fi to send and receive ePHI. Avoid file sharing apps, and limit downloads to apps you recognize. Safeguard 3. Configure your devices properly and restrict who can get in. Make sure devices are properly configured before staff use them to reach the system. Put access restriction, passwords, and PINs on all devices, and keep each device with you rather than leaving it unattended. HIPAA doesn't stipulate which devices are safe for ePHI. It requires reasonable and appropriate safeguards, whatever you use to access it. The reasonable and appropriate measures apply whether you use a computer, a phone, a tablet, or even a paper chart to access personal information. Mobile, multi-device functionality is convenient and safe too, as long as you follow the common sense safeguards above. Behave Health is designed to support HIPAA-compliant cloud storage of ePHI under a signed business associate agreement, paired with strong security controls. As a cloud-based system, Behave Health signs business associate agreements, taking contractual responsibility for the ePHI it stores and transmits on your behalf. A good provider will recommend the extra precautions your organization should put in place before rolling out the system. Stop carrying HIPAA liability that belongs on your vendor. Book a 20-minute demo of BAA-backed, HIPAA-compliant cloud storage at behavehealth.com. See how BAA-backed cloud storage and security controls work for your treatment center at behavehealth.com.